Starting around 18 November 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.0844 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very critical. Doge basically has a very complete market cap of $11,975,773,692 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,578,414,997. This sort of makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very huge. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin especially be worth in 2023, which in every practical sense is very huge. Is Dogecoin a truly wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Doge cost generally outperform its unsurpassed height, which by and large is genuinely huge? These explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a by and large huge manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Doge cost in every way that really matters is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0838, the normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the truly current year. Ought to for the most part be $0.0807, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Doge can especially arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.0878 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value conjecture November 2023. The Dogecoin, Doge, cost for November 2023 may especially arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.0751, while the extremely greatest gauge cost by and large is around $0.0845. Showing how besides Doge can truly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.0878 in a huge manner. The genuinely normal cost for Doge fundamentally is most certainly anticipated to especially reach $0.0822 in November 2023 in a quite enormous way. Doge value figure December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.0807 in a kind of large manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.0878, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.0838, so Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.0838. The normal really least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0.0807, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin most certainly passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been essentially diminished by 0.99% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how these by and large are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Assuming we sort of analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap truly is additionally down, exhibiting that Dogecoin genuinely passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been certainly diminished by 0.99% in its ongoing worth. Showing how these especially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which most certainly is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Doge essentially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.86% in an exceptionally huge manner. Dogecoin certainly has shown extremely serious areas of strength for of all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to dive right in and contribute. Exhibiting that Dogecoin for the most part has shown areas of strength for commonly of potential of late, and this could be great chance to dive right in and by and large put resources into a really significant way without a doubt. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge basically diminished by 11.102%, dispensing with an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.0105 from its by and large current worth in a quite huge manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a fundamentally great in every way that really matters, purchase a potential open door for exceptionally fast speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 2.27%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from a sort of least all things considered, normal cost of $0.0846 to truly greatest certainly normal cost of $0.0877 in the beyond 90 days in an especially enormous manner. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Dogecoin in every way that really matters has shown a developing pattern, which essentially is genuinely huge. Consequently, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, showing how might Doge costs certainly outperform its record-breaking commonly high in a genuinely enormous manner. As indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin really is expanded from 4 months, or so they sort of thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, or so they sort of thought. The coin really is up by 15.32% with the by and large greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin essentially was around $0.0761, and the very least in every practical sense, normal cost of generally was around $0.0727 in kind of beyond 4 months, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will sort of be Dogecoin certainly worth in 2023 in an in every practical sense, huge way? The Doge cost truly is determined to for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense, greatest degree of $0.0878, with exceptionally least cost of $0.0807 toward the finish of 2023. Exhibiting that in certainly most recent 4 months Dogecoin all things considered has shown a developing pattern, which truly is very critical. Does Dogecoin truly have a future, or so they certainly thought? As far as value, Dogecoin in a real sense has an extraordinary kind of potential to arrive at new levels in an especially enormous manner basically. It generally is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem, showing how besides Doge can fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.0878 in an especially large manner. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can in every practical sense hit the essentially the most exorbitant cost of $2.40 till 2030, showing how the 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 2.27% and the cost all things considered flowed from a fundamentally least lovely typical cost of $0.0846 to fundamentally greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.0877 in the beyond 90 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. Is Dogecoin genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin's worth explicitly is supposed to really keep on extending, as lack will in general basically energize cost rise, which truly shows that these are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner. Kindly note, there